Good afternoon, crafty friends. I'm so excited to be sharing with you a new photo play project that we're going to be creating live on Facebook on the photo play paper page this Friday the 13th at 6 p.m. So I'm really excited to share this with you. So first of all, let me explain to you the collection that I used for this particular album is from 2 years ago. Okay. Now, they had only sent me one of the collection that I'm going to show you in just a minute, which is All Hallows Eve by Michelle Coleman. And that is actually the one we're going to be creating the album with. So this is called Beautiful, and this is when they had Julie Nutting design a couple of the collections for us. So anyway, really, really adorable paper collection. I love the colors, the lace. Everything in here was really super cute. The stickers are great. And so we're going to get on into this in just a second. So let me show you the album. So this album measures 5 3/4 by 5 3/4, and the spine, I believe, is I hope I hold that up right, about 2.5. Okay. Really super cute, adorable paper collection. But I can't wait to show you what we're going to be using, which is, I'll show you now. Heck, why don't I just show you now? All Hallows Eve by Michelle Coleman. Really love this collection as well. And I love the candy corn colors. Love, love, love. So anyway, let's get on into the album. So first of all, this is the first time I've shown an album in a long time with photos in it. And I wanted to be able to show you all a really super and easy beginner mini album that kind of has a little bit, it's a little bit more advanced than beginner. Let's just say step 2 beginner, okay? And I really wanted to show you something that was small enough where you could use one paper collection, but big enough to put several photos in here, okay? So let me show you what we've got here. So we went to a place called Big Orange Pumpkin Farm, and this was in Gunner, Texas. And this is from 2013. I love the spider. I love the glitter foam letters and numbers. Really super cute. Love the black cat. And of course we have our bat and then our back here. One of my favorite papers out of this collection happens to be the little skeleton. I put a little banner back here with the stickers. Again, it says Hello October. And then of course you got to have a pumpkin on here for the pumpkin farm. And then we have one of the Julie Nutting doll stickers, which I popped up with some foam tape. Okay, so let's open it up. And this was the day that we went, which was October 19. And again, I put the place, Gunner, Texas, in case I forgot. So here is my daughter and my son, Aiden and Mia, and this is their friend Nyla, who came with us. I did kind of like a little gatefold page. Each one of the pages are identical in design, and I wanted to make that easy for you so you could do a beginner album. But you just pull the tag out, and that's actually your closure. And then it opens up, and then here I haven't actually put what I'm going to write down because my writing is horrible, so I thought I would do it after I show you the book, okay, because my writing is really scary. Here is some extra little washi tape that I had from my stash. So I just wanted to show you how cute you can make this. A lot of these are the stickers from the collection right here. Pumpkin Hall of Fame, Bewitched. And then again, it just goes like this. And then each one of these pages has a double-sided mat here and here. And I only put the pattern paper on one side of the mat. That's completely up to you what you want to do. But you probably could fit it on both sides, but I just want to make sure that I covered my whole album first before I really get into the mats. All right, here's another one of the stickers from the collection, Boo, a beautiful evening. Again, another gatefold. And then, of course, we have lots of stickers from the collection. Love that. Y'all know I love my Dia de los Muertos. But I wanted to be able to do a closure without using magnets. Again, here are some of my dies that I used. let's see. Here again, here's another die that says delicious. Oh, and these are from K and Company, if you all were wondering what these little 3D pop-ups. But here's another one as well. I just kind of mixed and matched some stuff in here just to add some extra accents to make it a little more visually interesting. You know, that's up to you what you want to do. Again, more die cuts. More die cuts. Again, some of those 3D ephemeras. Here's another star die I thought would be fun too. Again, another die cut back there. So this was just a lot of fun to put together. To me, it was a little bit more difficult trying to figure out where I was going to put all my photos, but once I got started, it got really easy. So I just wanted to let y'all know that yes, I do occasionally put photos in my albums, but I don't often show it. But I thought it would be fun to show one today so that y'all could see how you could decorate it if you want to. And I did get these K and Company Halloween elements, and I think this is also another K and Company element. You can get these on in Hobby Lobby. I think that's where I got mine. So, or Michael's probably. So this was a lot of fun. This was a die cut that was sent to me from Mel B. Thank you, Mel. Love that. I just cut it up into pieces so that it could extend out. But it was really a cupcake holder, which was really super cute. So this is a lot of fun to do. Anyway, I hope to see you all on the Photoplay Facebook live show. So just go to their page on Facebook. That's going to be Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we will be working on this album, but using the All Hallows Eve collection. And let me show you really quick, because I did, oh, here they are. These are some of the cute little stamps. We have the little moon, the little kitty cat. You have got candy. I just thought these were really fun to do. I love the kitty cat. And then, of course, they do come with die cut cardstock ephemera if you want to. Whoops, did I have that on top and I didn't even know it? There you go. So I love how they have all the frames in there, and I often like to make shakers from the frames. So anyway, I'll see you all on Friday, guys. Have a great and fabulous day. Bye, y'all.